being with baby practice. After your baby is born, one of the ways that you can continue to practice is by making the everyday activities of being with your baby a form of meditation. Your baby can be a very valuable teacher of mindful awareness, reminding you to be present in this moment, time after time, regardless of what you are doing. Perhaps setting aside a few minutes while your baby's sleeping, letting go of all the other things that require your attention, and just hold your sleeping baby. Practicing at such times can help you build the skill and confidence of paying attention in a kind and curious way, even during the challenging times when your baby's crying or hard to soothe, or when many responsibilities are clamoring for your attention all at once. The key is being present, bringing your attention to your direct, moment-by-moment experiences of being with your baby. When your attention wanders, perhaps to all the many things to do as a new mom, or all the worries or doubts that can arise, return back again and again to being with your baby. Let's begin with practicing by allowing yourself to feel the sensations of holding. As you pick up and hold your baby in your arms, know that you can take your time noticing the sensations of holding. Let go of other obligations and thoughts. Know that there's nothing to do right now other than noticing how it feels to hold your baby. Feel the weight of your baby in your arms. Where do you feel heaviness or lightness? Where does your baby make contact with your body? Where does your baby's head rest? Your baby's torso? Arms, bottom, legs. In what ways is your baby still or moving? In what ways does the movement shift in time? What do you feel in your arms, shoulders, on your chest? Notice the pattern of sensations. In what ways do they change? Perhaps now explore the sensations of touch. Touching your baby's head with your hand. Explore texture, warmth, coolness. Notice moment to moment how your baby responds to your touch. Move your hand to your baby's chest. Falling with the exhale. Allow your awareness of these sensations of your baby breathing to be an anchor in the present moment. Come back again and again when your attention wanders to simply noticing your baby breathing. You can also touch your baby's hand, exploring texture, temperature, movement, stillness. Again, notice your baby's response. Notice thoughts and feelings you may be experiencing. You don't need to judge them as good or bad, just take note. Now cradle your baby's feet in your hands. Notice the feeling of the folds and ridges, toes, any movements. You can also practice with seeing. Allow the sensations of touch to fade into the background. Bring your awareness to fully seeing your baby. As best you can, gaze at your baby with care and full attention. Let your eyes explore every part of your baby. examining your baby's face, head, eyes, nose, mouth, cheeks, chin, ears. Allow all sensations of sight to be present in your awareness. Perhaps also explore listening. Allow seeing to fade into the background of your awareness, and fully notice hearing any sounds that your baby makes. Hear the sounds that arise and pass away as though they're washing through you. Simply notice sound arising, passing away, noticing changes in intensity and volume. You don't have to send your ears out to listen. If you find yourself getting tense in reaction to a sound, take a deep breath. Let go as best you can. And if your baby's sounds invite a response from you, notice the ways in which you move and act to respond to your baby's sounds. In each of these ways, allow your baby to help anchor you back into the present moment. Return again and again to fully being with your baby. Let go of doing and notice your experience moment to moment, feeling, seeing, hearing. Even if your attention wanders 100 times, or you move into active doing mode, remember that you can practice being present again and again, fully experiencing, moment by moment, being with your baby.